Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I install faux locks using the crochet method. For this particular style I use 4-pack of natural bond locks, and I think it's from the Janet collection. Each pack holds 24 locks, so that will give you a lot of hair to work with if you're not looking for that fluffy style. But if you are looking for that fluffy style, you can go ahead and use more braids. And I can tell that the hair is very light, so it won't be heavy on the neck. Now this is a more natural looking locks, and I think it's very good to work with this because it gives you a natural looking style. Now guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, leave a comment, and thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and finish watch the video.